Microsoft Power Pages is a low-code platform within the Microsoft Power Platform that allows businesses and organizations to build and host a secure, data-driven, external-facing website for customers, partners, or communities. So if you're part of the Office 365 or organizational account, then you'll have access to it. So to access it, over here, I'm in my OneDrive account. As you can see, you can simply go around and go to your app launcher section right here. And over here, you will have access to Power Pages. So to access it, you need to go to the More Apps section first. And then from over here, if you were to scroll down, you will be able to go ahead and see Power Pages right around over here. So if I were to go ahead and click, now you simply have access to Power Pages right here. And now once it loads, this is what you see. And in order to go ahead and get started with it, you need to go ahead and click on Get Started right here. And then you get on to the Tell Us About Yourself page right here. So you need to go ahead and it says Tell Me About Yourself. So let's just go ahead and select Education right here, just like this. And then what happens is that you get access to this right here. So it says describe the site you want and let the Copilot build it, or you can go ahead and start with the template as you want as well. And this is what you have right here. And now throughout this course, we're going to go ahead and see how we can utilize Microsoft Power Pages in order to go ahead and create powerful web pages for us to utilize as we go along. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.